The system displays an alert message on the touch panel when you should replace a toner cartridge. You can add the cartridges to the system while it is turned on. Perform the following steps to properly replace a toner cartridge. Open the front cover. Hold down the green lever. The toner cartridge is slightly pushed out. Pull the toner cartridge toward you and pull out the empty toner cartridge. Note, the cartridge is fully recyclable through traditional methods. Hold the new toner cartridge with its seal side up. Note, do not touch the metal contact on the circuit board. Shake the new toner cartridge strongly with its seal side up to loosen the toner inside. Pull out the seal in the direction of the arrow. Insert the toner cartridge along the rail until it clicks. Carefully pull the cleaner out until it comes to a stop, and then carefully reinsert it straight into its original position. Repeat this step a couple of times. Note, check that the cleaner's knob is fully inserted after cleaning. Close the toner cover, pressing both edges.